Question number 66 to 70. Now in this question number 66 to 70, what is the information here? 7 boxes, J, K, L, M, N, O and P are kept one above the other but not necessarily in the same order. 7 boxes, J through P are kept one above the other but not necessarily in the same order, and each box contains different elements: cookies, pencil, spoon, diary, color, jewelry and watches, but not necessarily in the same order. Now we need to arrange these boxes in an order, isn't it? Now in this condition number 1, only 2 boxes are kept between M and N. Between M and N, how many boxes are there? There are only 2 boxes between M and N. As there are 2 boxes between M and N, now we need to go for the possibilities for this one, isn't it? Because the different information is not given. Then how many boxes are there? 7 boxes. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are the 7 boxes. Only 2 boxes are kept between M and N. Next one, M and N. If M is here M and N, the other one must be M and N like this, isn't it? 2 boxes between M and N. The pencil box is kept immediately below M. Pencil box is kept immediately below M. Now let us take the possibilities here. If M is here, N will be here. Or if N is here, 1, 2, M will be here, isn't it? And pencil box is kept immediately below M. Pencil, this must be pencil. Pencil is kept immediately below M. Now in this one, the pencil is kept immediately below M. Only 2 boxes are kept between the pencil box and the watch box. And N is kept above the watch box. N is kept above the watch box. Only 2 boxes are kept between pencil box and watch box. Pencil and watch box, so how many are there? There are exactly 2. Now in this case, pencil and watch box, if watch box is below this one, then tell me how many boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But whereas we should have only 7. Hence this watch box cannot be below this pencil box. Are you following this one or not? If you take this watch box is below this pencil box, then we are having some 8 boxes rather than 7 boxes. Hence, now only 2 boxes are kept between pencil box and watch box. Hence, watch box must be, where should this watch box? Watch box must be immediately below this N. Clear enough? Then coming to this category, the second possibility, 2 boxes are between pencil box and watch box, and N is kept above the watch box. As N is kept above the watch box, only 2 boxes are in between these two, hence watch box must be here, because N must be above this watch box. And N is kept above the watch box. The diary box is kept immediately below the watch box. Diary is immediately below the watch box, hence this will be diary. And diary is immediately below the watch box, this must be diary, isn't it? Hence as of now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes were completed. Then the diary box is kept immediately below the watch box. 3 boxes are kept between diary box and J. Diary and J, how many are there? There must be exactly 3 in between diary and J. If you take diary at this place, now below this one 3 boxes between diary and J is not possible, because then we will have some 9 boxes, which is not at all possible. Hence this J must be above this one. Hence below, between diary and J, how many must be there? 3 boxes. Hence in this case, this J is nothing but the pencil box. Are you following this one or not? Because 3 in between diary and J. Then coming to this one, 3 in between diary and J, 1, 2, 3 and J will be here, isn't it? 3 boxes between diary and J, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what is the other possibility here? As diary is here 1, 2, 3 and J will be here. Is it possible to have J at this place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is one more possibility, isn't it? Hence in this case we are getting 2 different possibilities. and jewelry box is kept immediately above J. Now, if you take J at this place, jewelry box is immediately above this one, which is not possible because you will have some 8 boxes. Hence, J cannot be above this one. Hence, we are left with only this possibility. Hence, this pencil jewelry box is kept immediately above J. Hence, this must be jewelry box. Jewelry is immediately above this one. Now, in this one, jewelry is immediately above this one. This M is nothing but a jewelry box, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And jewelry box is kept immediately above J. Next one, O is kept immediately above K, and O is not a pencil box. O is kept immediately above J. Now, sir, finally we got these two possibilities. Now, let us write down these two possibilities. First one is N, next one is watch box. After this N, it must be watch box. Next one is diary, and after this diary, and the next one is what? M, and after this M, pencil box, and below this pencil box there is jewelry box, and below this jewelry box there is J, isn't it? Now, we have taken this information. Now, coming to the second case, now jewelry box is here, M at this place, M is a jewelry box, isn't it? M is a jewelry box. Next one, and J is pencil box, J is pencil. Next one, how many blanks are there in between these two? Blank and N, blank and N, and after this N there is a watch box. After this watch box there is a diary, isn't it? There is a diary box. Hence, how many possibilities we have? We have some 2 possibilities. Then O is kept immediately above K. As O is kept immediately above K, O and K must be together, and O is not pencil box. As O is not pencil box, O cannot be here, O cannot be here as well. Then what is the only possibility here? O at this place and K at this place. Are you following this one or not? O is immediately above K, and O is not a pencil box. And in this case, O and K can be either 5 and 6 or 6 and 7. There are 2 possibilities for O and K. And O is not pencil box. P is kept immediately above the cookie box, and P is kept immediately above the cookie box. Cookie cannot be at the first place, and cookie cannot be at the 4th place as well, because if cookie is here, then O is and P is kept immediately above. P must be at the 3rd place, which is not possible. Hence, O cannot be here, and cookie cannot be at the 1st place, cookie cannot be at the 4th place, hence cookie must be at the 7th place. If cookie is here and P is immediately above this one, P will be here. And which is left over here? L is left over, and L will be at this place. Then coming to this one, and P is immediately above cookie box. We cannot take cookie box at this place, because if cookie is here, then P will be here. If P is here, O and K are adjacent to each other, which is not possible, isn't it? Hence, cookie cannot be at this place in the second possibility. Then cookie cannot be here as well, because if and cookie, and if cookie is here, then P will be here. If P is here, then O and K. Next one, only one box is kept between P and spoon box. P and spoon, P is here, then spoon will be here, because only one is in between P and spoon. Now, as we have taken P at this place, spoon must be either at this place or at this place, which is not possible. And the second case is completely ruled out. Finally, we are left with only one case. Then what is left over here? And colors is left over, and colors must be on the first place. Done with this? Now, we have done this one in a different way when compared with the previous one. Rather than fixing the elements here, now we have written the information separately, then we try to adjust the given data. Why it was so? Because here no information or no definite information is given, isn't it? As no definite information is given, we can have n number of possibilities. We cannot keep on writing down the possibilities, isn't it? Hence, we are writing the data separately, then we are trying to adjust whenever we got a 2 possibilities. Clear enough? Now, this is about the final arrangement. Question number 66 in this. Which of the following boxes is kept immediately above M. Immediately above M, that is dairy box. Dairy, that is choice 2. Then question number 67. 4 of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. P and spoons. P and spoons. Now between P and spoon there is exactly 1. L and pencil. L and pencil, how many are there? L itself is a pencil box. N and dairies. Between N and dairy there is exactly 1 box. K and colors there is exactly 1. O and spoons. O and spoon is exactly 1. Hence, what is your answer here? Choice 2. Except choice 2. And in the remaining pairs, now there is 1 box between each of these. Then question number 68. What is the position of O in the given stack of boxes? Position of O. And second from the top, definitely do, that is choice 1. Then question number 69. Which of the following boxes contains spoons? Tell me which contains spoons here? M. M contains spoon, that is choice 4. And question number 70. How many boxes are kept between K and the watch box? Between K and watch, how many are there? There is nothing, because these two are adjacent to each other. None. That is choice 5. Now this is about question numbers 66 to 70. Is done with this one. Then question number 71 to 73. These 3 questions are based on a small set on blood relations. D is the mother of S. Can be represented like this. D is the mother of S. This is D. Is the mother of whom? Is the mother of S. D is the mother of S, can be written like this. And S is the sister of T. S is the sister of T. S and T are siblings to each other. T is the mother of R. T is the mother of R. R is the only son of J. As R is the son of J, R is the son of T, and R is the son of J as well, which implies that T and J are married couple. T is a female, J is a male. R is the only son of J. J is the father of U. J is the father of you, whom? U. As R is the only son of J, hence U is the daughter. U is the daughter. And J is the father of U. Next one. U is married to K. As U is married to K, U is a female married to a male K. Then question number 71. How is S related to R? How is S related to R? Tell me here. R's mother is T, mother's brother. Mother's brother is aunt. Aunt, that is choice 3. Question number 72. How is J related to D? Tell me how is the J related to D? D's daughter is T, daughter's husband is son-in-law. Son-in-law, that is choice 2. Then question number 73. If R is the father of X, R is the father of X, then how is K related to X? And how is this K related to X here? K's father's sister is aunt, aunt's husband. Aunt's husband is K, that is choice 4. 73, choice 4. Then question number 74 onwards. 74 to 79. How many people are there? We have some 7 people. C, D, E, F, G, H and I, like 7 different cities, namely Surat, Kolkata, Bangalore, Mumbai, Ranchi, Delhi and Pune. 7 persons, 7 different cities, isn't it? And each of them studies in either of the 3 schools. Only 3 schools were given. As only 3 schools were given, it comes under which category? Common parameter. Whenever it comes under common parameter, it is always advisable you to work out separately. Then how to work out this one? Now let us write down the schools first. DAS. And what is the other thing here? RAS, DAS, RAS, and the next one is VCS. Now these are the 3 schools. These 7 persons are studying in these schools, at least 2 from each of these schools. And next one. F studies with the one who likes Bangalore in RAS. F. Now tell me whether F likes Bangalore or not. No. Why? Because here he is talking about 2 different persons. Who are those 2? F is one and the one who likes Bangalore is the other. Hence F and Bangalore are 2 different persons, isn't it? And F studies with the one who likes Bangalore in RAS. The one who likes Delhi studies only with H. The one who is studying, the one who likes Delhi studies with only H. H and Delhi are the only two persons in that group, in that school, isn't it? Only with H. H does not like Bangalore. As H does not like Bangalore, H and Delhi cannot be at this place at all, isn't it? And this H and Delhi can be either DAS or VCS. How many possibilities do we have? We have some two possibilities. Now if H is here, then Delhi will be here. This is one possibility. Then what is the second possibility here? DAS, RIS and VCS. Now in this one, and H and Delhi can be either DAS or VCS. Now this will be H and Delhi, and this is F and Bangalore. F and Bangalore. Clear now? Two possibilities. This H and Delhi can be either DAS or VCS. And H does not like Bangalore. C studies with those who like Surat and Pune. Now what about this C? C is studying with those who like Surat and Pune. That means C, Surat and Pune must be together. As C, Surat and Pune is together, and C does not study with F. As C does not study with F, now in this one we should have only two people, H and Delhi, isn't it? Hence where should this C? C, Surat and Pune. C, Surat and Pune must be VCS. And in this case, C, Surat and Pune must be at this place, isn't it? C, Surat and Pune, because C does not study with F. Then, now in total we have some 7 persons, at least 2 from each of these categories. In one of the schools, if there are 3 persons, and in the rest of the schools, there must be 2, 2. Now we got 3 persons here, hence in these two it must be 2 and 2 only. Done? And E studies only with the one who likes Mumbai. E is studying with the only one who likes Mumbai. Hence, where should this E here? E must be either DAS or RIS. And the one who likes Mumbai does not study with the one who likes Delhi. Hence, Mumbai cannot be DAS. Hence, this is E, and Mumbai, this is fixed. Are you following this one or not? And similarly, here also this must be E, and this person is from Mumbai. Now, F and E were done. Then, the one who likes Mumbai does not study with the one who likes Delhi. Next one, more than one person. More than one person means what can we say about this one? More than one person means either 2 persons, 3 persons or 4 persons and so on. More than one person studies with D. With D, more than one person means at least 2 persons are studying along with D. That means this D must be in a group of 3 persons. Are you agreeing this one or not? Because more than one person means it could be 2 or 3 persons are studying along with D. If 2 persons are studying along with D, including D, there are 3 persons in that group. If 3 persons are studying, it is not possible, isn't it? Hence, this D must be in a group wherein there are 3 persons. And where is the 3 persons group here? Here it is. And more than one person, D does not like Pune. As D does not like Pune, D must be Surat. And similarly, D does not like Pune, D must be Surat, isn't it? And D does not like Pune. Both I and the one who likes Ranchi study in the same school. As who are studying in the same school, I and the one who likes Ranchi, but not in DAS. But not in DAS, but not in RIS, isn't it? Because RIS is already fixed. Hence, I and Ranchi must be VCS. I and Ranchi must be VCS, this is I, and C must be Ranchi, isn't it? I and this one. Again in this one, I and, but not in DAS. Both I and the one who likes Ranchi study in the same school, but not in DAS, isn't it? Hence, I and Ranchi at this place is not possible here. I and Ranchi here, then if it is I is here, Ranchi will be here. Is it possible here or not? As of now, both I and the one who likes Ranchi study in the same school, but not in DAS. Now they are studying in VCS. And H does not like Ranchi. But as here finally we got that H likes Ranchi. and this case is completely ruled out. Now we are left with only the first case. Done with this? In the first case, who is the person left over here? Tell me. C, D, E, F, G. G is the person left over, isn't it? G is from Delhi. Then which city is left over here? Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Ranchi, Surat, Pune, and Kolkata, and H is from Kolkata. Done with this? Now this is about question numbers 74 to 78. Now question number 74. Which of the following cities does G likes? S, tell me. Which of the following cities does G like? G likes Delhi. Delhi, that was given in choice 5. Then question number 75. Which of the following combinations represent the combination of people studying in VCS? In VCS, C, D and I, Ranchi, Surat and Pune. One likes Mumbai, Mumbai is ruled out. One likes Ranchi and Mumbai is ruled out. Delhi is ruled out. And Pune, Surat and Kolkata. Pune and Surat is fine, but as Kolkata is ruled out. The one who likes Surat, Pune and Ranchi. Surat, Pune and Ranchi, that is choice 5 is the correct one. Then question number 76. Which of the following combinations represent the school in which E studies and the city he likes? E and the city he likes, E is Bangalore. E, RIS Bangalore. RIS Bangalore, that is choice 5. Then question number 77. Who among the following likes Kolkata? Yes, H likes Kolkata, that is given in choice 4. Then question number 78. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. That is, it is an odd man out. C and I. C and I are studying in the same school. E and F are studying in the same school. D and F are not studying in the same school. H and G studying in the same school. I and D are studying in the same school. Except choice 3. And in the remaining choices, both the persons are studying in the same school. Then question number 79. Which among the following statements is not true? F studies in the same school in which G studies. F and G are studying in the same school. True or false? It is false. It is not true. That is choice 1. Then question number 80. Which of the following is true regarding the number of... Now question numbers 80 to 82. It is based on a different set of 3 questions. Each of the 6 friends. How many friends are there? 6 friends. I, J, K, L, M, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 persons. Now these 6 persons are being compared in the number of projects they are handling. Then in condition number 1, I handle the second lowest number. And is different number of projects. I handle the second lowest number of projects. Hence I must be at this place, position number 5. Next one. K handles more projects than L and M. K is more than L and M, or K is more than M and L. Because between L and M, who is handling more than whom is not clearly given. K handles more projects than L and M, but lesser than J. And K is lesser than J. J did not handle the maximum number of projects. As J cannot be at this place, hence what is the only possibility here? J must be at the second place, followed by K, isn't it? LRM or MLL in any order. Then who is left over here? N is left over, N must be at the first place. And M did not handle the minimum number. M cannot be at the 6th place. M is at the 4th place and L is at the last place. Done with this? L handled 12 projects. Then what is the information here? L handles 12 projects, and the one who handled the 3rd highest number of projects handled 31. 3rd highest is K, and he handles 31 number of projects. Then question number 80. Which of the following is true regarding the number of projects handled by N? Only J handled more number of projects than N. Is it true? It is false. No one handled more number of projects than N, definitely true, because N is handling the maximum number of projects. Then question number 81. How many projects did J possibly handle? Now J is more than 31, isn't it? More than 31 among the given choices. What is your answer here? 36 is the only possible answer, choice 4. Then question number 82. If the number of projects handled by I plus K. I plus K is how much? I plus K is 33 more than L. More than L, L is 12. I plus K is 33 more than this one. 12 plus 33 is how much? 45. Hence, I plus K equals to 45. If I plus K equals to 45, out of which K is 31, I must be how much? 14. Now, the question is about how many projects were handled by I, and that is 14. Because the sum of these two must be equals to 45, out of which K is 31, I must be the remaining 14. And this is about question numbers 82, 82. Then 83 onwards. Now question number 83, 7 people K, L, M, N, O, P, Q have to attend a concert but not necessarily in the same order on 7 different months. Isn't it? 7 different months were clearly given. What are those months? Jan, Feb, April, May, June, September and November. In total we have some 7 months. Whenever the days, months or years were given, always fix that one at the center. Now tell me what are the months here? Jan, and next one is what? Feb, Jan, Feb, next one April, May, June, April, May, June, April, May, June. Next one is September and November, September and November. Hence in total 7 people, 7 different months. Then fix these months or days at the center and extend the lines like this. Then condition number 1. Yes, what is condition number 1 here? Now in these months, whenever the information is given, first analyze this one, how many months are having 31 days and how many are having 30 days. Because in most of the cases, 2 months will have 31 and the remaining will have 30 or less than 30. And if 2 are having 30, the remaining will be 31, isn't it? Hence, because by doing so, by analyzing that one, it is easy for us to draw the possibilities. Then condition number 1, M will attend a concert in a month which has 31 days. Now tell me how many months are there which is having 31 days? There are 2 months. What are those 2? Jan is 1 and another one is May, isn't it? Jan and May. As there are 2 possibilities, now let us fix this one here. Now Jan, M can be either in the month of Jan or what is the other one here? Can be in the month of May. Hence, as there are 2 possibilities, we are drawing these 2 possibilities. M will attend a concert in a month which has 31 days. Only 2 people will attend a concert between M and the one who likes Frozen. M and Frozen, there must be exactly 2 people, 1, 2, hence in the first case. Now this Frozen must be in the month of May. And in the second case, Frozen can be either in the month of Jan or in the month of November. How many possibilities? We have 2 possibilities in case 2. But whereas only 2 people attend a concert between M and the one who likes Frozen. The one who likes Frozen will attend a concert on one of the months after M. Frozen is one of the months after M. Hence, Frozen cannot be in the month of Jan in case 2. Hence, where should this Frozen? Frozen must be in the month of November, isn't it? Because it must be after M but not before M. And only 2 people will attend a concert between the one who likes Frozen and the one who likes Transformers. Frozen and Transformers, there must be exactly 2. As there are exactly 2, Transformers will be at this place in case 2. And next one in case 1, Transformers either in the month of November or in the month of Jan, because there must be exactly 2 in between this. And the one who likes Transformers will attend a concert in a month which has 31 days. Hence, it must be 31 days. Hence, Transformers cannot be in the month of November because it is having only 30 days. Hence, Transformers must be in the month of Jan. Clear now? Then, K will attend a concert immediately after M. K is immediately after M and K must be in these 2 places. Only 3 people will attend a concert between K and the one who likes Tangled. Between K and Tangled, how many persons? There must be exactly 3. 1, 2, 3. Tangled must be here. There must be exactly 3 persons between K and Tangled. Between K and tangled, there must be exactly 3 persons, and tangled must be here. And only one person will attend a concert between the one who likes tangled and L. Between tangled and L, how many persons should be there? There must be exactly one person. L is here, and in this case, L must be here in the month of May. And only 2 people will attend a concert between L and the one who likes Rio. L and Rio, there must be exactly 2. Hence, in case 1, Rio must be in the month of November, isn't it? Because exactly 2 in between these two. And in case 2, and Rio must be in the month of September, because there must be exactly 2 persons between. And the next one, the one who likes X-Men will attend a concert immediately before the one who likes Shrek. X-Men is immediately before this Shrek, hence these two must be adjacent to each other, one after the other. Hence, where can we have this one? X-Men, now in case 2 is in the month of Feb, and immediately followed by Shrek. And in this one, X-Men and Shrek here also the same way, X-Men, and this must be Shrek. And next one, only one person will attend a concert between the one who likes Shrek and P. Between Shrek and P, there must be exactly one person. As Shrek is here and P must be at this place between Shrek and P. Now similarly here also Shrek is here, there must be exactly one person between Shrek and P. Only 3 people will attend a concert between Q and O. Between Q and O, there must be exactly 3. Exactly 3 in between Q and O. Q will not attend a concert in a month which has 30 days, isn't it? Now between Q and O, there must be exactly 3. Now Q will be at this place because it cannot have 30 days. It can be either lesser than 30 or more than 30. If Q is here, 1, 2, 3, O will be here. And in this case, if Q is here, then O will be here, or if Q is here, O will be here. In both the cases, Q is either in the month of April or November. These 2 months is having 30 days, hence it is not possible. And the second case is completely ruled out because Q is in the month which is having 30 days only. It should not be the case. Hence, this is the final arrangement here. Q will not attend which has 30. Then who is the person left over here? K, L, M, N. N is the person left over. N. What is the movie left over here? Minions. M-I-N-I-O-N-S. Minions will be in the month of June. Though we have started with the 2 possibilities, with the help of the last information, the second case is invalid. Till that time, both the cases are valid. Hence, we cannot take for granted. We are supposed to work out both these two simultaneously, because we do not know finally whether case 1 or case 2 will prevail and which will be invalid. Then question number 83. As per the given arrangement, January is related to Q, Jan is related to Q, Jan is immediately before Q, and May is related to K, May is immediately before K, and in the following way, a certain pattern, which of the following is April related? Yes, April is related to whom? April is related to M. Choice 4. Then question number 84. How many people will attend a concert after M? How many people are there after M? There are 3 people. 3 people, and it is given in choice 1. Then question number 85. Who among the following likes Minions? Now K likes Minions, that is choice 2. Then question number 86. Which of the following represents the people who will attend a concert immediately before and immediately after Q? Immediately before and immediately after Q, P and L. P and L, that is choice 3. Then question number 87. Which of the following represents the month in which K will attend a concert? K attends a concert in the month of June, that is choice 4. Question number 87. Then 88. Who among the following likes X-Men? Yes, tell me who among the following likes X-Men here? Q likes X-Men. Q, that is given in choice 1. Now this is about question numbers 84 to 88. Done with this arrangement? Then 89 to 93, it's again based on puzzle. Now here in this one, 8 friends A, B, C, D, L, M, N, O are seated in a straight line, but not necessarily in the same order. 8 persons are seated in a straight line, and some of them are facing north and while some of them are facing south. Here it is not clearly specified how many are towards north and how many are towards south. Some are north, some are south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then only 3 people sit to the left of n. As only 3 people sit to the left of n, tell me how many possibilities we can have. 2 possibilities. What are those 2 possibilities? If n is here, these are the 3 persons to the left hand side of n. And this n is facing towards which direction? Towards north. Only 3 people to the left of n. Then what is the second other possibility? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 3 people to the left of n. N at this place, n is facing south, only 3 people to the left of n. B sits second to the right of n. B is seated second to the right of n. Now in case 1, n is facing towards north, B sits second to the right, B must be at this place. And in this case 2, n is facing south and B must be here. Then only B sits second to the right of n is possible. C sits third to the left of O. O is not an immediate neighbor of B. As O is not an immediate neighbor and O does not sit at any of the extreme ends of the line, isn't it? O cannot be at the extreme ends, O cannot be adjacent to this B. Hence O cannot be here, O cannot be here, O cannot be here, isn't it? O cannot be here as well. Then what are the possibilities left over for this O? There are only 2 possibilities, either adjacent to n or second from the left end. Now if you take O at this place, tell me whether O can be at this place or not. If O is here, C is third to the left of O, then B and C must be in the same place, which is not possible. Hence O cannot be at this place. As O cannot be here, then O must be at this place. If O is here and C is the third to the left of O, 1, 2, 3, and C must be at this place. C is third to the left of O. As C is third to the left of O, then we can able to finalize the direction of OA as well, isn't it? O must face towards south, then only C will be third to the left of O is possible, isn't it? Now we have finalized the positions of this O and C and the direction of OA as well. Then in the second case, this O is neither adjacent to B nor at any ends of the row, and so cannot be here, cannot be here, and cannot be here as well, cannot be here. Only 2 possibilities were left over. If O is here adjacent to n, then B and C must be in the same place, which is not possible. And this case is also ruled out for O. Hence what is the only place left for this O? O must be here. If O is here, C is here. As C is here, O does not sit. O is not an immediate, and C sits third to the left of O. Then O is facing towards north. Then only C is seated third to the left of O. Now the positions of O and C were finalized, and the direction of O is also finalized here. The next one. What is the next information here? And C and O face the same direction. As in the first case, O is facing towards south. Now C is also facing towards south, because both these two are facing the same direction. And in the second case, O is facing north and C is also facing towards north, because O and C are facing the same direction. Both the immediate neighbors of D faces north. Immediate neighbors of D faces north. Tell me what can be the immediate neighbors of D means this D should have 2 neighbors, isn't it? Hence D cannot be at the extreme ends, and D cannot be here as well, because if D is here, one of the immediate neighbor of D is facing south rather than north. D cannot be here, D cannot be here, D cannot be here. Hence where should this D? D must be at this place. As D is here, immediate neighbors of D are facing towards north. Both these 2 persons must face towards north only. Clear now? Then coming to the second case, immediate neighbors of D are facing towards north. D cannot be here and D cannot be here, and D cannot be here as well. Hence D must be here. Immediate neighbors of D are B and the one person at the left extreme. These 2 persons must be towards north. D does not sit at any one of the extreme ends of the line. D is not at any extremes end of the line. This information is not at all required, because both the immediate neighbors means D cannot be at the extreme end. And both the immediate neighbors of D Persons seated at the extreme ends face opposite direction. Extreme ends are facing opposite directions in the first case. Now this extreme end is facing towards north. Hence this person must be, the other extreme person must be facing towards south, because these two persons are opposite direction. And in this case this person is facing north and this person must be facing towards south. This person is facing towards south. Then both the immediate neighbors of n face the same direction. Immediate neighbors of n are facing the same direction, and in this one n are facing the same direction. Now this person is facing towards north. Then A sits second to the left of L. A is seated second to the left of L. As A is seated second to the left of L, A and L must be in the alternate places, and D faces a direction opposite to that of L. And now sir, A and L, in the first case both these two persons are facing towards south only, and out of which A is seated second to the left of L. Tell me whether A can be at this place. If A is here, L must be here. If A is here and L is here, then L is facing towards south. L is seated second to the right of L rather than left of L, isn't it? Hence A and L cannot be here, cannot be in these two places. Then what should be the position of this A? A must be at this third place, and L is here, and this person is O. Now see here, A sits second to the left of L, and A is facing south. A is seated second, L is facing south, and A sits second to the left of L is valid. And in this case, A sits second to the left of L. Tell me where can this be? Can you take L at this place? If L is here, A sits second to the left of L is not possible, because A will be second to the right, because this person is facing south. As L cannot be at this place, then where can this L? L must be here. If L is here, A is seated second to the left of L, then A and C must be in the same place, which is not possible. Hence the second case is completely ruled out. Clear now? In the second case we cannot find out the place for A, because A is seated second to the left of L. Then who is the person left over here? Tell me. M is the person left over. M must be at this place, and A sits second to the left of L, and D faces a direction opposite to that of L. D and L are facing opposite directions. L is facing south and D is facing towards north. Clear now? This is how these 8 persons are facing towards north and south, seated in a row. 4 persons are facing towards north and 4 are facing towards south. Then question number 89. Who among the following faces north? Tell me, among the following faces north. NBDM. NBDM, out of which what is given here? N is given. So I is 5. Then question number 90. How many people sit exactly between B and O? Exactly between B and O, how many people are in between B and O? There are 3 persons between B and O, that is A, N and C. Choice 1. And question number 91. Which among the following is definitely true? B and C face the same directions is false, because they are facing opposite directions. M sits at one of the extreme ends of the line is definitely true, isn't it? Choice 2 is the answer. Then question number 92. Now in this 92, who among the following represent the immediate neighbors of the person seated at the extreme ends of the line? As tell me, immediate neighbors of the person seated at the extreme. L and M are the immediate at the extreme ends, and their immediate neighbors are O and D. O and D, that is choice 4. Here the question is not about the extreme ends people, neighbors of the extreme ends, and those 2 persons are O and D. Then next one, question number 93. Who among the following sits second to the right of C? Sits second to the right of C. C is facing towards south. Second to the right of C is A. Choice 1. And this is about question numbers 89 to 93. Then 94 to 98. Now question numbers 94 to 98 are based on what? Coded inequalities. Now if you observe here in question number 94, both the conclusions are in between R and P only, isn't it? Now find out the relation between R and P. Between R and P, lesser than or equals to, lesser than or equals to, lesser than or equals to. Which symbol is common here? Lesser than or equal. Hence R is either lesser or equals to P is definitely. R is either lesser or equal, either 1 or 2. either 1 or 2, that is given in choice 5 is the answer. 94. Then question number 95. Now the relation between H and T. T is here and H is here, lesser than, greater than, two opposite symbols, no relation between these two. Next one, the relation between C and Q. C is here, Q is here, this is lesser than, greater than, two opposite symbols, no relation. Hence, what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2, choice 5 is the answer. Question number 95, choice 5. Then coming to 96. Now here also both the conclusions are in between S and W only. Now between W and S, if you observe here, greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to, but whereas here it is only greater than. Which symbol is common here? Greater is common. Hence W greater than S is true. If W is greater than S, and in the reverse S lesser than W is also true. S lesser than W definitely true, equal to W is false. Then what is your answer here? Only conclusion 1 is true, that is choice 5. 96, choice 5. Then 97, R and L. Now the relation between R and L, which letter is common between these two statements? A is common. Now we need to move from R to A and A to L. R to A, what is the conclusion here? R is lesser than A, and L greater than or equals to A lesser than or equals to L. Isn't it? This is how we can able to establish the relation between R and L. Now which symbol is common here? Lesser than. Hence R lesser than L is definitely true. First conclusion. Then coming to the second one, D greater than O. The relation between D and O, again which element is common here? A is common. Isn't it? D and O, O lesser than A, and again A is lesser than or equals to what? And A is lesser, D greater than or equals to A means A lesser than or equals to D. Isn't it? Now the relation between O and D. O lesser than D, which implies that D greater than O, hence both the conclusions follow. Both conclusions choice 3. 97 it is choice 3. Then question number 98. The relation between G and Y. Now G and Y, which letter is common here? O is common. As O is common, first find the relation between G and O. G greater than O, and Y, Y lesser than O means O greater than Y. Now the relation between G and Y. G greater than Y definitely true. Then coming to the second one, the relation between S and F. O greater than or equals to S. O and F. O lesser than or equals to F, which implies that F is greater than or equals to O. F greater than or equals to O, O greater than or equals to S. Now the relation between F and S. F greater than or equals to S is definitely true, hence S lesser than or equals to F is also true. Then what is your answer here? Both the conclusions follow, choice 3. And this is about question numbers 94 to 98, coded inequalities. Then 99, 99 and 100, these two questions are based on directions. A small set on directions of 2 marks. Then point J is 20 meters to the north of Z. J is 20 meters north of G. G is here and J is here. How many meters here? 20 meters. J is 20 meters to the north of G. G is 10 meters to the west of K. G is 10 meters to the west of what? G is 10 meters to the west of K. And K is 15 meters to the south of L. K is 15 meters to the south of L. As K is 15 meters to the south of L, L will be somewhere here. The distance between these two is only 15. K is 15 meters to the south of L. RCC is standing at point T. Point T is 30 meters to the east of L. T is 30 meters to the east of L. Now this RCC is standing at this place. Point T is 30 meters to the east of L. And he starts walking towards south and walks for 35 meters. From here he traveled how many meters? 35 meters towards south, out of which he covered 15, and this will be 20, 35 minutes. He takes a right turn and stops at point M after walking 40 meters. After walking 40, this is 30 plus 10 equal to this 40, and reach to point M. M will be at this place. Now G and M, what is the distance between these two? Now here the distance between Here it is 15, isn't it? Out of this 35, this will be 20. Hence, what is the distance between G and M? It is 20. Then, if Ashish walks for 10 meters north from his final position, 10 meters. Now, what is his final position here? M is the final position. From here, he travels 10 meters north. That means like this. To reach point, how much distance will have to cover in order to reach point J? Now, tell me what is the distance between point M and J? 20 plus 20, 40 meters, out of which has already covered 10 meters. And how much more to be covered here? Out of this 40 has already covered 10 meters and 30 more to be covered. 30, that is choice 1. Question number 99, choice 1. Then what about question number 100 here? How far and in which direction is point G with respect to point M? Yes, tell me, G is, how far away is this one? 20 meters. Towards which direction? North. 20 meters towards north, that is choice 3. Now this is about paper number 50, question number 66 to 100. Done with this? Yes, any doubts in this paper? Number series. Question numbers, please. Question numbers. Yes, 56 to 60. Now question numbers 56 to 60. What is given in this one? 56 to 60? 63, 75, 51, 99 and 3. Isn't it? Now the numbers are increasing or decreasing at a smaller rate. Hence, what should be the logic here? The logic must be the difference. Now tell me what is the difference between 63 and 75? 63, 75, 51, 99, and the next one is how much? 3. And the next 63 and 75, here the difference between these two is 12 plus 12. 75 and 51, what is the difference here? Minus 24. 51 and 99, what is the difference here? Plus 48. Yes, what are these numbers? 12, 24, 48. 12 into 2 is 24, 24 into 2 is 48, 48 into 2, 96. Now this 96 should be added or subtracted? Subtracted, because here, if you observe here, plus 12, minus 24, plus 48, next one must be minus 96. And after this one, plus, minus, next one must be how much? 96 into 2. What is 96 into 2? 192. This 192 should be added or subtracted? Added. Hence, 3 plus 192 will be 195. 195 given in choice 2. Done with this? Now this is about question number 56. Then question number 59, 57. As tell me what is the difference between these numbers? 129 and 132, the difference is 4. 33 and 42, the difference is 9. 42 and 58, the difference is 16. And the next difference is how much? 25. Now what are these numbers? 4, 9, 16, 25. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. And the next one is 6 square. What is 6 square? 36. 36 should be added to this one. 183 plus 36. The last digit must be 9 among the given choices. Now 183 plus 36, 219, that is choice 2. Here the difference between the numbers are perfect squares. Then question number 58. Now in this question number 58, now if you observe here, 12, 24, 96, 576, blank, 46080. Now it's starting with 12 and ending with 46,000. As the numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, it does not come under difference. It should be either product or combination. Now first let us check out the product. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 into 4 is 96. Next one, 96 into 6. Into 2, into 4, into 6. Next one, into 8 and into 10. 576 into 8 and next one is into 10. 46080 divided by 10 is how much? 4608. Hence 4608, that is choice 5. Rather than multiplying 576 with 8, divide this 460 by 10. That will be much easier. Then question number 59. Now in this question number 59, only once the number is decreased. From there onwards the number is increased means it must be under which category? Into 1 by 2. 24 into 0.5 is 12, and 12 into 1 is 12, and 12 into 1.5 is 18, and 18 into 2 is 36, into 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. 36 into 2.5 is how much? That is 90. Choice 4. Into 0.5, into 1, into 1.5, into 2, into 2.5. Then question number 60. Now in this question number 60, now check out these numbers here: 1, 13, 49, 157, 481 and so on. Now again if you observe the numbers, now these numbers are what? 1 and 13. And 1 and 13, what is the difference? Tell me here. 1, 13, the difference between these two is 12. 13 and 49, what is the difference here? 36 is the difference, isn't it? 12, 36, 49 and 157. What is the difference here? 108, isn't it? 108 plus 108. Now, so 12 and 36 can be written as 12 into 3 is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. Next one, 481. Yes, what is the difference between these two? 481. 108 into 3, how much is that? 324. Now check out the difference. And the next one must be 324 into 3. What is 324 into 3? 300 into 3, 900, 24 into 3, 72. That is 972. And 481 plus 972, 1 plus 2 is 3. And 9 plus 4 is 13. 13, 81 and 72. What is the number here? 1453 is the number. 1453, that is choice 4. Done with this? Now this is about question numbers 56 to 60. Yes, paper number 50. Question numbers 56 to 60 and 66 to 100. Anything else to be discussed among these questions?